A disturbing murder is being investigated in Illinois. The suspect in the case, seen by neighbors peering into windows and carrying a large knife, all while dressed as a clown.
I'm looking for you.
I'm thinking he's finna kill everybody in the house the way he came.
Oh my gosh. Imagine this, waking up in the middle of the night to see a clown right there at your front door. Multiple neighbors say they saw the 15-year-old suspect knocking on doors while in that costume Monday night.
He was up to no good. What if he was just crazy enough to, I'll just murder this whole family sitting outside?
But the teen was arrested for an entirely different reason. Police say a body was found laying in the middle of the road near a bus stop. The teen was later arrested for murder. That is creepy.
How
Yeah.
terrifying.
This is not a Halloween time. He's
Wow.
walking around in a clown
There's
costume.
a lot of questions. And a body is connected to it.
Yeah.